What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, today, guys, I'm going to be doing my Q&A always after SmackDown and AEW Rampage. Guys, as you know, I went to SmackDown last night, and I had an incredible night. Yes, guys, I wore this shirt, the Acknowledge Me shirt, and so that is the shirt I wore. And I saw someone in the row ahead of me actually wore this shirt as well. I showed the back. I saw the back of it, and incredible. I will get into it more. But first, Michael's question: what did you pick up from SmackDown? I got a bag here. Yes, sir. I got 3 things, but it cost over $100. The shirts were $40. On the shop, they're $30. So I know. But the first thing I just got this because of the cover. The official program, Roman Reigns is on it, Rey Mysterio, Matt Riddle, Cody Rhodes, Drew McIntyre, Edge, Brock. And when you open it up, you get the WrestleMania, April 1st and April 2nd. And then you open it up, you get the Bloodline. Yes, sir. Roman Reigns, the Usos, and Paul Heyman. You get Brock Lesnar, Kevin Owens. I think this is my favorite picture of them all in here. And that's the Edge photo. That's incredible. That is incredible. Then you got RK Bro right there. Awesome. Cannot believe we didn't see Randy Orton in his hometown. And then you got the Judgment Day. And of course, this was made before Dominic joined, because the next picture is Dominic and Rey. Right there. Dude, I want to know, did you enjoy SmackDown last night? Because who is Uncle Howdy? We got... Dude, first of all, Bray Wyatt's promo touched my heart. It really did. I loved every single second of it. You got Walter right there. His name is not Gunther. It's Walter. You got Kevin Owens. Sami Zayn. Let's go. And speaking of Sami Zayn, he made the Bloodline break character the other night. Yes, he did. And guys, the SmackDown I went to next week was taped, so I saw a couple matches from next week, but we're gonna wait to talk about those next week. So you got Cody Rhodes right there. You got Liv right there. Omos, Street Profits, Theory, my fave, R-Truth. Let's go. What's up? Shinsuke Nakamura, the person who was the sixth man in the Hit Row tag team match. Ricochet. We saw him last night. Angel and Humberto. Ginger Mahal. Oh, this is the new one. He's not Maximum Dupree anymore, but he's LA Knight, Maximum Male Models. That's pretty cool. That's a good picture. Got Adam Pearce. And then, this is my favorite. Pat McAfee's in here, bro, guys. Pat McAfee. And then here's another one. There's Wade Barrett and Jerry Lawler. And then that's the whole thing. So I got this because of the cover. I enjoy it a lot. But dude, if you guys saw the beginning of SmackDown after the Sami Zayn and Solo versus the Brawling Brutes match, Roman Reigns came out and Jey Uso said to Sami Zayn, I don't care about what the Tribal Chief has to say. And we all did this. He did not just say that. He did not just say that. And he said to Roman Reigns, Sami said to Sam, God dang it. Sami Zayn said to Roman Reigns, Jey Uso didn't mean it. He's not feeling very Usy. He's not feeling very Usy. Everybody broke character at that point. Everybody. But then he said, if you don't find, Roman said to Jey, if you don't find your inner Usy again, I'm going to take that honorary Us, the honorary away and make him a full-time Us. And then everyone started chanting, Sami Uso, Sami Uso. So that was the best part of the night until the ending of the night with that Bray Wyatt promo, dude. That touched my heart. So the two shirts that I got is this one. We the Ones. And I really thought that I asked for an honorary Us shirt, but I picked the wrong letter. But guys, Roman was wearing this shirt, so I have to get it now. So you got the one on the back. So I got the We the One shirt. And then I got this shirt. This was the best purchase this is the best purchase I could ever make. I got the Bray Wyatt t-shirt. This is amazing. This is great. I don't even know how to describe this one. But I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess I I hope that they come out with more Bray Wyatt merch, but I just had to get this. So yeah, so I got the Bray Wyatt t-shirt. I got the Usos t-shirt. And I got the program. So that's what I picked up from SmackDown last night. So let's get into these questions from MarkBoy316. Who do you think will beat Gunther, aka Walter, for the IC title? Now, as you know, I just said I watched next week's show because they taped it. So I'm not giving away the winner of next week's yet until next week. So, who do I think will beat Walter? That's a very hard question. I hope it's a big name. I hope. I mean, I already know who wins next week, but I will still watch it because I love SmackDown. But for the IC title, I would love to see another match with Nakamura and Walter. Although I really would love for Walter to hold that title a lot longer than most people. Most people hold that title for like a week, 2 weeks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 weeks. This guy just came on the main roster, beat Ricochet in like 2 minutes, and took the title. And I loved Walter ever since. So when he came on the main roster, I loved him. I loved him down in NXT as the longest reigning UK champion. But yeah, so who do I see? On SmackDown. Who's on SmackDown? After next week, I hope that there is a championship match with Mysterio and Walter. Whoever wins next week, I hope there's a rematch. Because why have the match next week, but a day later have Crown Jewel? So that's weird. But maybe, I don't know, first of all, who is this guy? That creeped me out, dude. That creeped me out. That was great. I took a lot of photos. So who is on the SmackDown roster? No, he's on. maybe Braun Strowman after he's done with Omos, but probably not. Drew McIntyre would be a great one to defeat Walter. Humberto, well, not anymore. Karrion Kross would be another good one. LA Knight. No. But, dude, where has Rick Boogs been? Dude, I know we got... Oh! You know how Solo doesn't have a title right now? Solo versus Walter for the IC strap. That would be a good match. Nakamura again. Yes, I told Mark, I told Mark Boy that if he doesn't want me to answer the Walter question, since you guys haven't seen next week, but he said, sure, you can answer it. So that's what I just did. So yeah, his next question is, do you think we'll ever see CM Punk in WWE again? I want to say yes and no. Yes, because of what he can do in the ring. He can win titles, and he has a great worth ethic. He has... I was going to say friendships, but that went out the window. Ugh. But I don't know. Yes, because he can win titles. But no, because of what happened at the All Out Scrum. If he gets offered the right type of money, and if he's booked correctly, and he doesn't do what he did at the Scrum, then yes, completely. But yes, I think we'll possibly see CM Punk in WWE again if he's booked correctly. And speaking of the last question, I gotta speak about what happened at the end of SmackDown. Okay, I haven't seen Bray Wyatt live since... I'm sorry for that noise. I'm very hungry. I haven't seen Bray Wyatt since Battleground 2015 live when Undertaker was at that event. It was Roman Reigns versus Bray Wyatt with the late great Brody Lee, aka Luke Harper, made his return. And I never thought I would see him live ever again because he got released in July of 2021. And then on October 8th, 2022, he made his return to the WWE under Triple H. And I bought these tickets months ago. Before Bray Wyatt made his return, I got these way before. I think I got these in July or August. Bray Wyatt makes his return at Extreme Rules 2022. And I never thought that I would see Bray Wyatt live again. But my brother made that dream come true once again. So that promo was incredible. We got to hear from his soul and not behind a mask. But who do you think is Uncle Howdy? And for the last question, who do you think Bray's first feud will be with? That is a hard question, bro. That is a very hard question. Who do I think the Wyatt Six will attack first? Well, that goes into the question. I mean, legit. Again, if he maybe the IC strap, but he's not. Bray Wyatt's overcome that. He doesn't need a strap. Just like the Fiend didn't need a strap. A title. I mean, but Bray's first feud, probably against the Bloodline. Maybe against the Bloodline. Maybe against Sheamus. No. But no. It needs to be a big name, and if he's on SmackDown, maybe going over to Raw, maybe, but not that often. But maybe against Judgment Day if they move over to SmackDown, which I highly doubt because Rey Mysterio is on SmackDown to get away from the Judgment Day. But okay, his first feud has to be with the Bloodline. And if not, it's going to be something crazy. It's going to be electric. If you're not going... I legit don't know who is going to be his first feud. Because he hasn't been in the ring yet. I hope to see him in the ring very, very soon. So, and that's why I picked up this. Because we don't know if I'm going back to SmackDown, if I'm going back to Raw, if I'm going to a pay-per-view. That's why I had to pick up this. So, the Wyatt Six is going up against the Bloodline in the first feud. I mean, it has to do that. I mean, they have to do that. Because who is on SmackDown right now more dominant than the Bloodline? That is a legit question. Please put that down in the comment section below. And I heard on online that Bray Wyatt's merchandise sales are more than the Bloodline. Yes, that is what I read. Bray Wyatt topped the merch sales. Well, duh, because you only have one shirt out. Everybody wants it, including me. So, the Bloodline for the first feud, possibly, or probably the Brawling Brutes. I don't know. We just need Pete Dunne to get his name back. That is a legit hard question, though, Mark. But maybe Brock again. But possibly not. So, this has been Patrick Force Unboxings. Who do you think Bray Wyatt's first feud will be with? And please hit that subscription down below. Or please put that in the description down below. Do you think you'll see Punk in WWE again? Comment section down below. And that is who I think will face Walter for the IC title. Xavier Woods, Madcap Moss, Karrion Kross, after he's done with Drew McIntyre. I would love to see that feud. And please hit that subscription. And please hit that subscribe button right here. This has been Patrick Force Unboxings, and I'm out. Peace.